It's Friday afternoon at the AACA Fall Meet in Hershey, PA. There's a pair of 65 Le Mans GTO skirts for 40 bucks. We've got some V8 rims for 140. Cool old whatever that is. Motor oil, 30 bucks. Set of Studebaker caps for 40. That's pretty good. The hood. Now that'd be cool for a rat. A little 68 Camaro for 67 through 69 for 130. Going away for the night. Big beautiful. The steering is so quick on these cars. It really is a tough one. That's a Buick. About 10. I'm sorry, it's a 12. Okay. Beautiful. We've got the choice of spotlights, 10 bucks each. That's a great buy. Gaskets, 3 bucks. All sorts of glass lights. LEDs, of course. And what's vintage lights? 15 bucks a pair. Yeah, they don't look too vintage to me. Check out those headlights.
Yeah, well, she wrote all that down.
That is too cool. 2 different sizes.
Anyway,
I love
that situated. Okay? Yeah, well, she said that.
Hello. How you doing?
All right.
Got some Crosley parts for sale. Tons of dollar boxes. We love dollar boxes. You always find neat stuff in there. There's so much iron here. It's amazing. Now what's cool with Hershey, it is very heavy into pre-war, but there still is a lot of post-war stuff available. And again, for someone who's building something interesting, shall we say, a rod or something like that, or a rat, this is heaven. It's all for you pickup fans. Pretty solid bedsides. Got some wheels, 25 bucks a piece. But the reason why I'm zooming in here, 53 through 56 F100, 125 bucks. Got tailgates. That black one's 325. We've got grills. That is 120 for an F100. I like the grills. Need some doors. There's the rear door, as well as the side doors. All sorts of trim. Need a sickle.